Hi everyone! Today, I'm diving into the golden goodness of turmeric tea and why you should drink it every day. Trust me, your body will thank you. First up, let's talk anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric is celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory effects. The magic ingredient here is curcumin, the main active compound in turmeric. It helps reduce inflammation in the body, which is super helpful in managing conditions like arthritis, metabolic syndrome, and various heart issues. Now, onto antioxidant capacity. Turmeric tea is packed with potent antioxidants. These little warriors neutralize free radicals, protecting your cells from damage. This not only boosts your overall health, but also enhances your immune function. Speaking of the brain, curcumin can increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. This growth hormone functions in the brain, and higher BDNF levels can delay or even reverse age-related decreases in brain function. Plus, it's linked to a lower risk of brain diseases. Pretty cool, right? Turmeric tea also improves heart health. Regular consumption can help by improving the function of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Curcumin's effects on endothelial function can regulate blood pressure and blood clotting, which are crucial for heart health. Got digestive issues? Turmeric can help boost digestion by stimulating the gallbladder to produce bile, making your digestive system more efficient. It's also great for alleviating symptoms of bloating and gas. If you're dealing with pain, especially from arthritis, turmeric is your natural pain reliever. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it's effective in alleviating pain related to various inflammatory conditions. Your immune system gets a boost too. Turmeric contains compounds with medicinal properties that can enhance your immune function. Regular consumption of turmeric tea might reduce incidences of colds, flu, and other viral infections. For those managing diabetes, curcumin can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. This makes diabetes more manageable and helps prevent diabetes-related complications. Turmeric tea is also a boon for your skin. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties contribute to healthier, glowing skin. It can help treat and prevent acne and other skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. And last but not least, let's talk about cancer prevention properties. Studies suggest that curcumin has the potential to kill cancer cells and prevent more from growing. It's particularly effective on breast cancer, bowel cancer, stomach cancer, and skin cancer cells. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of turmeric tea. Make it a part of your daily routine and experience the difference. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.